our Insider Fan Experience presented by LG and Best Buy. Today, Dave Dickey of Iowa City. Dave's actually a Des Moines native, Southeast Polk Reynolds. He'll be selecting who is among his first four out this week. David also won 2 tickets to today's game and a $125 gift card to the team store. So whether you're right or wrong on your first four out, Dave, it's been a pretty good day for you guys already.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Obviously, you're into the March Madness. You love this time of year as we all do, don't you?
Yes.
All right. Well, give us your first four out.
Well, I was told
why?
that we're supposed to look on ESPN. We got the first four out from ESPN, and I'm supposed to say if they're in or out, I thought.
Okay.
But they said Richmond, West Virginia, Baylor, and Oklahoma State I'm supposed to choose from. I think Richmond's a no. Their schedule's too weak, and the computers don't like them. West Virginia's a no, even though they beat Iowa State by 25. They have 11 losses already, and I think they'll lose at least 2 more games, including at Iowa State. And they're playing Baylor today, who's one of the other options. So if they beat West Virginia today, I think they'll be in.
Good point.
West Virginia wins, maybe they're the favorite. But I keep remembering that beat down the Baylor Bears gave the Hawkeyes in the NIT championship game last year, which I'm still traumatized from.
It's all about matchups, and they had a couple 7-footers that didn't play well for the Hawkeyes.
I was at that game, and I was pretty devastated.
Madison Square Garden.
Yeah,
okay.
That was a devastating loss for me.
So you got Baylor in or out?
I say they're in.
Okay.
I think they're too good to lose to not make it. And then Oklahoma State, they're the strongest in the computers right now, but they're on a 7-game losing streak. They started off 15-2, but I think they'll lose a few of their last 5 games. They've already lost 4 of against 4 of the last 5 teams they're playing, so it's going to be a tough schedule.
So you got Richmond out, West Virginia out, Oklahoma State out or in? Out. And Baylor is your pick then?
Right.
All right. That's not a bad pick.
And I think they'll go in over Georgetown. ESPN thinks Georgetown will go in.
Well, for a team that didn't play well at all the first half of the Big 12 season, Baylor's coming on.
Yes.
Hey, Dave, thanks for your time, buddy. Good luck.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Great to see you. You bet. Thanks for being here. And go Hawks. For your chance to be a part of the on-air pregame bracketology, we might pick you.